Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On a DIY today, we're going to be doing a tree line. You can probably see some of these trees behind. Let me switch this around and show you what we're going to be doing with them. We're going to ore them out, get it prepped for the groundwork so that we can plant the trees. So here's the tree line. We're going to be doing 41 tree holes in order to plant all these trees. We're going to create a block for some of the properties that's behind this property. Everything's been flagged and tagged already, so we'll be getting prepped for it. We're going to be using this power auger in order to drill the holes. You can see what's going on with it. Doesn't have to go down very deep. Here's what the buckets look like. They just seep out on the bottom, drilled some holes on the sides so that they seep and water the trees. So you don't have to stand out here all day. Usually takes about 20 minutes for the bucket to empty out, which is just a nice slow seep into the bucket. And as you see, some of them take a little longer than the others. We've got some smaller buckets. So as you can see, this was a good project. It took only about 2 hours to drill all these and then get them planted in about another 40 minutes or so. So we were good. And now,
let them grow, let them grow, let them grow.
Enjoy. Thanks. Like, subscribe. I appreciate it.